construction contracts, one of the unique aspects of construction contracts is they're dynamic. The owner has to have the ability to change the scope and to make changes because that's how the process is. And they can't be in breach of contract if all of a sudden they've got to add scope and they're not allowed to do it under the contract. So the reality is they have to have that ability, but then you have to know and understand how that process is going to work and make sure that you're protecting your rights by giving the proper notice and by making the upstream contractors or owners follow their own contract, because that's where we see a lot of the risk. You have a contract provision where it's you're waiving all rights if you don't provide proper notice and if you don't get proper authorization, but in the field you're told, go ahead and do it, we'll deal with it later. You're putting all your eggs in the basket that somehow down the road, if there's a problem, either one, somebody will live up to their word, or two, in a court of law, you're going to prove that they waived their right to enforce that provision. That's an uphill battle.